Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. So we're just taking a look at Fantom here. As you can see, quite clearly we are starting to see potentially a bit of a breakout of that trendline resistance that we have been talking about. You can see here, if we just outline the resistance here, and then obviously coming down to here, you can see potentially starting to see maybe a bit of a, yesterday getting caught under this resistance, but with the bullish market structure that we are seeing for cryptocurrency in general, we have seen Fantom potentially breaking out here of this trend line, as well as getting above our 55 and our 20 EMAs here as well, which is obviously very bullish to see, because for a good while here Fantom has basically been stuck under the 55 EMA ever since we were back up here, really at near the all-time high. Let's be honest, I mean, we had this false breakout here where we came up to the top of the range, but we did, roll over yet again, coming back down to the low here, retesting the low of the range, and now looking like we're getting a pickup off the low. So overall, MACD saying we're looking, a little bit bullish in the markets over the past few months. Really, we've just been going sideways, haven't we? And as everyone will know, realistically, we're not seeing any confirmations in either direction, in our opinion, until this range is broken in any, either direction, either down at this low at around 18.5 cents, or heading up towards the top of the range here at that 43-cent level around here. Obviously, now that we're breaking out of these key levels of resistance, that 55 and that trend line break there, very critical. We do want to see, potentially a bit of a move to the upside here, maybe a back test, and then our next target, in reality, realistically, we are heading probably up towards this 0.23 Fibonacci retracement level at around the around 37 cents there, as you can see. If we're just taking a look at the chart, I've dragged the Fibonacci from the high here down to the low that we saw here, and now we're really looking, like we've come up off this low, looking to test a new level. At the very least, potentially doing something like this that we are starting to see for quite a few cryptocurrencies, potentially a double bottom like this, which would be good to see. Now looking like, potentially with this breakout, we do want to see a bit more upside for Fantom. So overall, just correlated to the market right now, not doing anything particularly interesting, but nice to see. It's had a pretty bullish week in reality, hasn't it? We've had if we just take a look at from this low here down at around 18 cents up to the current price, a nice little 31 or 2% gain over the past week or so for Fantom. So a very nice little move to the upside, in comparison to stocks, which are, mostly just chopping sideways or still going down. 30% up in a week or so is a really nice gain, isn't it? And in our opinion, we do think Fantom's probably going to head back to those all-time highs in the long term, but just keeping it short and sweet. Short-term price predictions, we are probably going to head up towards this 37.5 cent level at the 0.23 Fibonacci. That will be our next port of call, in our opinion. And, if we do roll over, you want to see this trend line here being back tested as support like this, and then maybe starting to move up like this as well. Obviously, the 55 and the 20, you want to see those held as support as we work our way up. If we do see ourselves getting that bullish cross on the EMAs as well, that's going to be very bullish. So that's it for today, guys. Short and sweet. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.